we'll cover few questions on deepest exaltation and deepest debilitation to move into Navamsha chart. Planet in deepest exaltation and debilitation degree. So Sun deepest exaltation is at 10 degree in Aries, and similarly the debilitation is Libra, or Moon Taurus, Scorpio, for Mars Capricorn, Cancer, and so on. So these are the degrees which we need to remember. And Navamsha means 30 degree divided by 9. So 3 degree 20 arcminute each. So we divide it into 30 degree into 9 blocks. So 0 to 3 degree 20 arcminute and so on. These are the Navamsha blocks. So the first question is the planet which on its deepest debilitation goes to its own sign in Navamsha chart. Calculate the Navamsha chart. Zodiac sign passed into 9 minus multiple of 12 plus Navamsha block. Navamsha block means whatever is the degree based on that in which block of Navamsha it lies. So let's take Sun. Deepest debilitation is in Libra at 10 degree. So Libra is 7 sign, so we'll write it as 6 sign past 10 degree. 10 degree is the third Navamsha. 6 into 9 plus 3 is 57 minus 48, 9. 9 is Jupiter sign, not Sun, so the Sun cannot be the answer. Let's take Mars. Deepest debilitation is in Cancer at 28 degree. So 3 sign 28, 28 is ninth block. So 3 into 9 plus 9, that is 36 minus 24, 12. Again Jupiter sign, not its own sign. Similarly Mercury deepest debilitation is at 15 degree in Pisces. So if we calculate, it is 7, which is also not a Mercury sign. So the we calculate for Moon. Deepest debilitation is in Scorpio at 3 degrees. So 7 sign 3 degree. 3 degree is the first block. 7 into 9 plus 1 is 64 minus 12 into 5 60. So 4. 4 is Cancer. So zodiac is Cancer and it is the Moon's own sign. So the answer is Moon. The planet which on its deepest debilitation goes to Mercurian sign. Means we have to calculate which are the planets when they are on their deepest debilitation, they goes to either 3 or 6 sign. Sign owned by Mercury are 3 and 6. So Jupiter deepest debilitation goes to 2, not a Mercury. I have shown the calculation above. It is the Capricorn at 5 degree, so 9 into 5, so it is 86 minus 84, 2. So Jupiter cannot be the answer, so we can cut it out. Next, Venus. Deepest debilitation Virgo is 5 sin 27 degree, so we calculate it is 6 sin. So Venus is one of the option. This will be the option because Venus is one of the option and Jupiter is not. So let's calculate for Saturn. The deepest debilitation is at Aries at 20 degree, 0 sin 20 degree. 20 degree is 6th Navamsha. So 20, 0 into 9 plus 6 is 6 again. So it is Mercury sign. So the answer is Venus and Saturn. Which planet at 1 degree less than its deepest exaltation point goes to Saturn Navamsha? Means 1 degree less than the deepest exaltation point. So the sign for Saturn are 10 and 11. So let's calculate. Venus deepest exaltation is at in Pisces 27 degree. 1 degree less than 27 will be 26 degree, which is 8th Navamsha block. 8 sign into 26 degree. So 11 into 9 plus 8 is 107. 107 minus 12 into 8. 96. It is 11. So it is Saturn sign. So one of the option will be Venus. Now calculate for Mars. Mars is in Capricorn at 28 degree. Best type exaltation. So if it is one less than, then it is 27 degree, which is ninth Navamsha. So if we calculate 90 minus 84 6. So Mars cannot be the answer. Calculate for Moon. Deepest exaltation is in Taurus at 3 degree. 1 degree less than that is 2 degree. So and Taurus is 1 sign past 1 degree. So 1 sign past is 1 into 9 plus 1. That is 10. 10 is again Saturn sign. So the answer is Moon and Venus. Next question. The planets which are on deepest debilitation goes to Jupiterian sign in Navamsha. Jupiter is the lord of 9 and 12 signs. So deepest debilitation for Jupiter is Capricorn at 5 degrees. So we calculate the Navamsha, it is coming to 2 is Venus sign. So Jupiter cannot be the answer. So this option cannot be there. So now calculate for Venus. Deepest debilitation is in Virgo at 27. So it is the ninth Navamsha. Ninth Navamsha. So if we calculate 6, which is Mercurian sign. So Venus cannot be the answer. Also cannot be the answer. Answer will be Sun, Moon or Sun, Mars. So the Sun deepest debilitation is in Libra 10 degree. So if we calculate, so it is 9 which is remaining. So 9 is Jupiterian sign. So one of the option is Sun. Now let's calculate for Mars. Mars deepest debilitation is Cancer at 28 degree. So Cancer is 3 sin 28. 28 degree is ninth Navamsha. We calculate. We are getting 12 after calculating it. So 12 is again Jupiterian sign. So the answer is Sun and Mars. If Saturn is in Libra, in which Navamsha it will go to debilitation sign in Navamsha chart? So this is a different kind of question in which it is saying that Saturn is in Libra, which means that it is exalted, but in which now Navamsha block the degree should have so that it moves to debilitation sign. Debilitation for Saturn is Aries. So Saturn debilitate in Aries. So we have to calculate 6 sign plus x minus multiple of 12 sign is equal to 1. This should be the calculation. So if we put 56 into 9 is 54 plus some number minus round of multiple. So it should be, let's take it as 5. So 54 plus 5 is 59, in which the x value will be 4. 54 plus 5 is 59. 59 minus 48 is 11. So it is not the debilitation point for Saturn in Navamsha chart. So let's take 7. So 54 plus 7 is 61 and 12 into 5 is 60. So 61 minus 60 is 1. This means that if it is in the 7th block of Navamsha, it will go to the debilitation sign in Navamsha chart. So the answer is 7th. Sun to be placed in exaltation sign in Navamsha, at which degree it should be placed in Taurus in natal chart. Means this is again different kind of question. That Sun is to be placed in exaltation sign. The exaltation sign of Sun is Aries. So we have to calculate at which degree it should be in Taurus so that it moves to exaltation sign in Navamsha. So Sun exalt in Aries we know. So it is one sign x degree, some degree out of these, some degree. If we do the calculation 1 into 9 plus some Navamsha, then minus multiple of 12 is should be equal to 1. So it is 9 plus, let's take 11 degree. 11 degree lies in fourth Navamsha. 0 to 3.3 degree 20 arc minute, 3 degree 20 arc minute to 6 degree 40 arc minute, 6 degree 40 arc minute to 10 degree is the third. 10 degree onwards to 13 degree 20 arc minute. So 11 degree lies in the fourth. So it is 9 plus 4, 13 minus 12 is 1. So the answer is if it is at 11 degree, it will go to exaltation sign in Navamsha chart. So the option A. Question 7. Mars is in 1 degree less than its deepest exaltation. In which sign it will go into the Navamsha chart? Mars exalt in Capricorn at 28 degree. So 1 degree less than is 27 degree. It is still the ninth Navamsha. So if we do the calculation, 9 sine 27 degree, 9 into 9 plus 9, it is 90 minus 12 into 7, 84, it is 6. 6 means Virgo sign. So it goes to Virgo sign. Thank you.